Hi my loves, welcome to my channel. This is going to be an unboxing video. I don't know why I keep flipping this thing around. I'm trying to get the perfect lighting. As you can see, there is no light and I'm using the natural light. So this is going to be an unboxing video. I actually got a new sewing machine. Like my other sewing machine got damaged, and it's part of what I'm going to be talking about in the life update video that is coming up soon. The delivery of this sewing machine was actually so fast, because I actually ordered this sewing machine around 7-8 p.m. yesterday, and it got delivered to me around 1 p.m. today. So fast. So I'm actually quite excited, and I don't know what to expect. I just hope I don't get disappointed actually. So without much talk, let's just get into the unboxing of this sewing machine. It's actually a tabletop sewing machine. So before, I was previously using a manual sewing machine that I actually connected, and I used electric parts for it, but it has the manual part to the normal manual full set sewing machine. But this is a tabletop sewing machine and it's just electric. So at this point, I'm done removing it from the wrap that it came in, and this is what the machine is looking like. It came with a sewing machine needle, and I'm guessing this is the peddler. Okay, yeah, this is the peddler, the footer of the machine. So, and it came with this plug, and I'm guessing this is what I'm going to connect to the machine, and this to the sockets. And yeah, this is what it's looking like. I actually like the fact that the machine is actually metal. Okay, I think it has a light here. Wow, this is nice, because I'm actually quite scared of the plastic. Some tabletops are actually like plastic, so I'm scared, like, what if it just falls down or something. So I'm just trying to get a 360-degree sewing machine. Okay, this is what the back is looking like. And so far, I'm actually quite pleased with what I'm seeing, though we currently don't have lights, so I would have just loved to test it. Though I'm going to wait when there is light. I'm going to connect it I'm going to connect it to the socket when NEPA brings light. If you are here in Nigeria, you know what the current electricity situation is. So I'm going to test it, and I'm actually going to make a video of me testing it so you guys can see. But I actually like the fact that it's neat. So this on the features, it actually shows straight stitch, zigzag, and straight zigzag, buttonhole. Yeah, buttonhole. So I would have actually loved for it to have an hemming stitch because I don't want to, but I'm actually hoping there is a way I can tweak to actually hem with this machine, because I don't want to have to be going out to use the general public overlocking machine. Yeah, overlocking, that's what I wanted to say. Overlocking, because what my eyes have seen with over, if you are a tailor in Nigeria and you don't have an overlocking machine and you sew, you know what your eyes face. The prices have even gone up now this season. I usually weave for 100 naira for inner weaving. Now is 200 naira for the white thread. The black thread is 300 naira. You can imagine how crazy that is. So I'm hoping I can actually play around that. But so far, this is what the machine looks like. So when NEPA brings lights, I'm going to test this machine. And from what I'm seeing here, the vendor I ordered this machine from told me that she's going to thread the machine for me, because I asked her if he has a manual, because obviously I've not used this kind of machine before and I don't know why I've been talking from the back. Obviously I don't know how to use this machine, because I don't know how to use it. She told me that she was going to shred it for me, because I asked her for a manual and she told me that it doesn't have a manual, but she's going to shred it for me so I will know how to like pass the thread. And looking at this now, you can see she didn't thread it. So how am I supposed to know how to thread this machine now? So I'll just go and have to like message her on Instagram and tell her, so she will probably direct me so I'll know how to thread this machine. So I'm excited, and I'm going to leave her details in the description box, and I'm also going to leave her details in the screen. So if you guys want to get the machine from her, I don't know yet, let me test it, so I will know if I'm going to recommend that. So when I test it and I really like the work, I'm going to.
Someone enters your life, you don't really know how it changes you.